Local news for Friday the 25th of January. Some of the world's top wine writers and influencers are heading to Gisborne for the second Chardonnay and Sparkling Symposium later this month. The attendees will arrive on a wine flight charter via 3 locations, including Wairarapa. A NIWA scientist says the water in the New Zealand region is significantly warmer than it was 30 years ago. Oceanographer Dr Phil Sutton says the strongest warming area is off the Wairarapa coast, and all indications is that the warming trend will continue. Data released by the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows there were 6 more lifestyle property sales for the 3 months ended December 2018 than for November of the same year. In the Wellington Wairarapa area, recorded increases, albeit a relatively small number. And finally, a new mobile app is helping to ensure patients receive the antibiotics that they best meet their needs. Developed by Infection Services with computer science students from Victoria University of Wellington, Empiric is the first homegrown app on DHB's App Store and is currently being used in the Hutt Valley, Wairarapa and Whakadui DHBs.